guys. This is it. It's yummy guys. Yummy biko. Absolutely. It seems like mekos new style biko guys. It's a yummy biko. Yan guys, na biko ko. That is my simple recipe biko guys. Ayan. Akala nyo yung mga pulang-pula na yan, yung kwan yan, yung sapal ng nyug na tinatawag nila na wow. Ihanda nyo ng kape nyo dyan. Tayo magkain na ng biko. It's yummy. Yum. Wow. It's yummy guys. Ayan. That is the Japanese biko guys. It's yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching again and God bless everyone.